earthquake. It's worse than an earthquake. It's a woodpecker.
It's smashing the tree.
It's made a hole!
It's got inside.
Quick, get your flat!
Oh, it's not in my flat.
Phew! It's not in my flat!
Our door's stuck.
Here, son, let me try.
I believe we have found the bird. Everybody, keep calm and don't panic. Ah! Everybody out!
Run for your life!
Hello, Ben. Hello, Holly. We've got a bird in our tree.
Yes, I saw it first. It's a woodpecker.
That's correct. I didn't realize Your Majesty was interested in birds.
Oh, yes, I'm a bird spotter.